Greetings to one and all gathered here. And once again, I would like to wish you all very happy New Year. And I pray to God that this New Year will bring happiness, peace, and love in your life. And I pray you all have a safe and healthy life. God bless you all, and God bless everyone around the world. This is Archana, head teacher of CHIRA Kids Preschool. I am profoundly honored that I've got this opportunity to welcome you all in this occasion. First of all, I would like to welcome our honorable chief guest, who is a very eminent personality and a well-wisher of our institution, Miss Annette Montero. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining with us. We are really delighted, and we welcome you again. Thank you, ma'am. Then I would like to welcome our managing trustee, Ms. Ratnavati, who has been with us and who has been our inspiration. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining with us. After that, I would like to welcome our managing director, Mr. Ajit Kumar, who has taken time out of his busy schedule to join this celebration, to attend this celebration. Thank you so much for your presence, sir. We are delighted. Next, I would like to welcome our academic director, Ms. Chetana Vadekar, who has been with us throughout our journey, through our ups and downs, been a very good guide and who kept us motivated. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming. Then I would like to welcome all the parents who are with us throughout our journey from the beginning of the academic year, who has been with us all the activities and the events which we have conducted. Without you, any of the events wouldn't have been successful. Thank you so much, and I welcome you all on this occasion. Next, I also welcome all the guests, friends, relatives, and well-wishers of our institutions who have joined with us today on this celebration. I welcome you all, and we are really honored with your presence. Next, I would like to welcome our teachers who have been working from a couple of months behind this event to make this a successful one. I welcome all the teachers. Then finally, last but not the least, our diamonds and gems of our CHIRA Kids Preschool, our little ones, our little children. I welcome you all. So you are the stars of today's celebration, and love you all and welcome you again. Thank you so much. So we like to have you all here in this occasion, and also we thank you that you were able to make time to join with us. Let's all have or hope to have a successful event today, and let's all enjoy the celebration. Thank you.